If you want to get fit, don't quit.
Today we learn the bicep curl.
Let's get started.
First, a small practice motion.
Wrong. Don't do partial reps. You're only getting half the work. Go for the full range of motion. All the way up, all the way down. Stop. No swinging the body. Using momentum is just cheating yourself. Keep it strict. Control the weight with your muscles, not your back. Watch those elbows. Don't let them drift forward as you lift. Keep those elbows pinned to your sides to really isolate the biceps. Smooth, controlled arcs for maximum strength gains. Full range, pinned elbows, controlled motion. You've got this. Subscribe for more primal gains.